That one was a bit of a mess, but that's not even why I did this one. Can you tell what is rich?
Oh my god.
So this one might look slightly bigger, but it's really not.
Tomorrow at 8/7/7. Only on GS. Healthy joints and keep my 5K base. That's why I take Move Free to help my body maintain and repair up to 38% more cartilage. Maybe I should try the 10K. Healthy joints, Move Free.
Before I went on, health allergies made it hard to keep up with his friends. After Allegra, he's right there with them.
This one is the broken one. That one is the one I fell on. See, you can only even see shit on it. This one just fine, because it's the new one. Let's see. I can still somewhat see what I'm doing. Right there is the camera. Record video. Settings.
As winter approaches, life at Summerland is nearing a crisis.
Our bedrooms weren't warm, so we have to haul all our mattresses down to the living room, buy the fireplace and blankets, and sleep everybody in the living room just to stay warm.
Arnold has stopped speaking to everyone. Both the heat and electricity are shut off.
That is oh, we plug it in real quick.
You start to
too.
understand your life and what's a priority. How valuable is the furniture versus warmth and survival?
Record video. See, it's cracked up there in the corner right here. Can I even see shit? Sorry, foreign language. Do the video. Hey! This is from my old touchscreen. I got a new one. I can't see on this one. But you should be able to see this too.
And I hate to wait till this date.
Ginger is finally at the breaking point. Pride has kept her from asking her father for help. But pride is giving way to fear. She walks to her neighbor's house and makes the call. Bring the camper, come and get me. I can't do this anymore.
Yeah, just wasting time.
I remember my grandfather coming to the house, and it was like a war was over.
And we've been filming on my laptop, upside down I know, but you get the point.
Everybody just sighed.
Arnold stays behind. He leaves Summerland the next day. But for Ginger, this is goodbye. The chances they might have had together were destroyed by the mansion.
Okay, I can't do this one. I'm sure you can tell with this bitch. Moving? Hold on.